Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a monitor turn off and goes black randomly in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the monitor section and right click on the generic monitor and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Select check for update, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Turn off the display. Click on this drop down and select never. Put the computer to sleep. Click on this drop down and select never. And after that, select change advanced power setting. Expand the hard disk. Expand turn off hard disk after. Click on this setting and set this to never, never. And after that, click on apply to save changes. And then scroll down. You just need to expand the PCI Express and expand the link state power management. Click on the setting and click on the drop down and select this to off position and click on apply to save changes and expand the display. Turn off display after. Click on this plus icon and click on this setting and type here never, never, n caps letter, and then click on apply to save changes and then click on OK and close stuff here. Now you need to restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.